Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making a breakfast casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 2 potatoes, 6 eggs, 1 pound of sausage, 6 slices of bacon, 1/2 of a red bell pepper, 1/2 cup of onion, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 cups of Mexican blend cheese, 1 cup of half and half, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then melt your butter. Add half of your shredded potatoes to your pan and allow them to cook until they are just crispy. Remove them from the pan and set them aside until later. In the same pan, fry your bacon for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove your bacon from the pan and set it aside until later. Now saute your onions and bell peppers for 2 minutes. Now add your sausage and cook for an additional 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, remove it from the pan and set it aside until later. In a large bowl, add your eggs and your milk. Now season with your salt and pepper, then whisk until well combined. Now it's time to build your casserole. Layer the bottom of your dish with your cooked hash browns. Now add your uncooked hash browns. Top with a layer of cheese, then add your sausage, bell pepper, and onion blend. Now add most of your bacon, leaving a little aside to top at the end. Pour in your egg, then top with the remaining cheese. Add your remaining bacon, then cover and transfer to your preheated oven. Allow the casserole to cook for 45 minutes covered. After 45 minutes, remove the foil, then continue to cook for an additional 15 minutes uncovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to grab